everyone, it's Allie, and today I am back. I took a little break, had a baby, no big deal, but I figured what other better way to come back than a HALARA haul. These are some of my favorite videos to put out for you guys. A big thank you to HALARA for sending over these amazing pieces. I'm gonna try not to make this like a postpartum video, but just a little disclaimer, I am about a week postpartum. These are so fun, so amazing, and the fact that I can get on here and try them on for you guys a week postpartum just says how great these pieces actually are. If you're a mom, if you know, you know. But otherwise, I mean, postpartum or not, like these pieces are amazing and they are for everyone. Yeah, so again, big thank you to HALARA for sending over these pieces. I do have a discount code with them, so I will leave that up here for you. I will also leave all the information down below if you want to take a look for yourself, shop for yourself, check them out. They have so many wonderful pieces, athletic wear, more like formal wear, casual wear, dress up, dress down. They have so many different options, so many different sizes and colors. You can find something for everyone. I love them. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the first piece. This is a jumpsuit. This is a Softlyzero Airy U-neck G-hook, backless twisted back, cool touch yoga skinny jumpsuit. This is in the color black. It's a size small. Yeah, I have been all about jumpsuits lately. I think they are so cute and comfortable, and I feel like they kind of just like make an outfit without having to put any effort in. Like you don't have to think about a top or a bottom or what matches. It's just like easy, go. But yeah, this is really cute. Over here you can see it is not see-through. You have this hook in the back, like a halter top thing that you can unhook, take it on and off. You also do have that crisscross, that little twist in the back, which is cute, which you also get a little cutout in this lower back section and the top. And overall, it's just so cute and comfortable. And I got it in the color black because I feel like it's just versatile. You can wear it with anything. It looks good, dress up, dress down, casual. You can throw like a little button up over it, wear it alone, wear it to work out, run errands, or just to hang out, to go out. I love it. So super cute and comfortable. So if you have heard of HALARA, chances are you heard of them because of their viral dresses. They are so cute and comfortable, but they're also like active wear. I have a ton of different dresses, so many different colors. Today I have this dress in the color fuchsia purple, even though it's a hot pink, but they call it fuchsia purple. And this is in a size small. Again, I am just a week postpartum. I typically wear a size small in everything all the time. So these pieces are a little snug on me, but again, I'm like a week out and I anticipate that I will be back down to a small. But again, just the fact that I'm able to wear a small and I am just a week out postpartum, like the material is so stretchy and comfortable. Like I don't feel like I'm suffocating in them. It's so good. But anyway, back to this dress. This is in fuchsia purple. It is a size small. This is a Softlyzero plush backless active dress. And this is the easy peasy edition. So I know there were some people that didn't like the fact that you have to like take everything off, say if you have to use the bathroom or something when you are wearing these dresses. Didn't bother me, no big deal, but they came out with the easy peasy version. So basically these dresses have shorts attached to it. However, the easy peasy version, the shorts are separated from the back of the top. So if you do need to go to the restroom or anything like that, you can simply just pull them down, do your business, pull them back up without having to take everything off. So I love that they made that. They have so many different versions of this dress and I have like every single one. Not really, but like I have so many of them. And I just love these bright, fun colors, especially for like the summertime, really anytime. But yeah, super lightweight, breathable. I can like run around in them if I have to. I love that there are shorts attached so you don't have to worry about like anything showing, anything like that. The shorts, of course, have pockets, which I always use them. Like when I'm wearing this, again, I feel dressed up without having to think about it. Put my phone or my wallet, my keys or whatever in my pockets. My hands are free, good to go. And yes, so love it. All right, sticking with that fun color, I have these shorts. This is the Softlyzero Plush high-waisted crossover ruched yoga shorts, and these are also in a small. Same color, fuchsia purple, however it is hot pink. I definitely could have sized up in these, but like I said, I do anticipate continue going down to my typical size. If I wanted to wear them like very comfortably right now, I would have sized up to a medium, but I have no problem getting into the small. And again, these are small. I was able to fit into these and they still were very comfortable. Obviously a little snug, but these are so cute. I love the crisscross in the front, very flattering for the waist. And in the back, you have these beautiful like stitched detail over here that kind of arches down. And at the seam, it is bunched. It's like ruched, which is obviously very flattering. It makes things look a little bit lifted. Love wearing things like this. I think this is gonna look really cute with like a baggy t-shirt if you want to have like that type of casual look, or obviously for like with a sports bra for activewear and anything like that. But super cute, super comfortable. With that, I did pair it with this top, which I just realized I think I got a little makeup on there, so no big deal. We'll take care of that. This top is so beautiful. I love this color. This is in the color Fresh Blue, and it is also in a small. This is a U-neck backless crossover bar ballet dance tank top. Also offers a ton of support. If you see in the back, it's like crisscrossed in the back, very cute. The front is like it says that U-neck, which I think is very flattering, kind of like hides anything like by the armpits and stuff like that. These do have removable pads. You can keep them in, take them out if you want, and it does have a nice thick band in the inside to offer a lot of support. But this is a beautiful, like a powdery baby blue. I feel like it's coming off a little bit lighter on camera, but it's like a beautiful, very pretty baby blue. Like I think you can see it better there. But yeah, this is beautiful. I also paired that with these leggings. How pretty is this color? I love that. It's like a rich blue. This is called Beaucoup blue. I think I'm saying that correctly. I'm not sure. This is in a size small, and these are the Softlyzero crossover pocket plain leggings. I feel like you can never have too many leggings. I have so many and I love them all, but this color is so beautiful. So it does have that crisscross in the front. Again, it kind of like cinches in the waist a little bit, gives a nice little silhouette. It has this beautiful stitching in the back, and again, pockets on both sides. It is squat proof, so comfortable. I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. I have so many of these leggings and I keep wanting more because they're that good. And I'll tell you, I do have leggings that are a little bit more pricey, and I always reach for my HALARA. I really do. I'm not even kidding. I'm not just saying that. They're so comfortable. This top I thought was so cute. Still functional, like you can wear it as a workout top, but I love that little detail, how one strap is thin and the other one's thick. It's that like, I don't know, I feel like it's really cute. This is a Softlyzero Airy asymmetrical adjustable strap backless cropped cool touch yoga tank top in the color black. It is a mouthful, but you know exactly what I'm talking about just by the name of it because it describes it. And this is black, obviously, in a size small. So again, very, very cute. I love the little detail. It kind of is like different than just a plain old tank top. You have the thin strap that's adjustable, which I definitely brought it up to offer a little bit more support. Again, it does have the pads on the inside if you do want to keep them in or take them out, and that thick band that offers a ton of support. So this is so cute. I feel like you can wear them with so many different bottoms, which I went ahead and showed you. So the first bottom that I wore it with is this. Cute. This is so like not my typical color, but I thought it was so pretty, so I had to get it. These are the super high-waisted back pocket and side hidden pocket 2-in-1 yoga shorts, and this is a 2.5 inseam. So in the back here, it does have a hidden little pocket right there, and these are cute because they're like flowy, but on the inside they are lined with more of like that biker short feel. These I actually did get in a medium because I wanted it to look a little bit more flowy. However, I feel like when I do continue getting down to like my pre-pregnancy body, I feel like it might be a little big, but like at the waist. But as of now, they fit perfectly, so I'm fine with that. This is in the color Orchid Bouquet. Really pretty. It's like a lavender, like lilac type of color. It's so pretty. But yeah, I love it that you have like a flowy look to it, but it is lined, so you don't have to worry about like anything showing, and you do have the support. And it also has, like it says, that hidden pocket on the inside. These feel so good. Like they feel like really great quality. They don't feel like flimsy or anything like that. I really like these a lot, and they're so comfortable, super comfortable, and like cooling, very airy, so cute. Okay, now again, like I said, I'm gonna try to not make this like a postpartum thing, but this has the best tummy control that I've ever tried. I love these. This is the So Cinched high-waisted tummy control side pocket shaping training leggings. This is in the color Aura Orange, which it's like a warm red, but it's Aura Orange. And this is in the size small. If you are looking for any type of like tummy control, shapewear, that type of thing, these are amazing. Now you can see, I think you can see, like that is tight, like that has control going on. You do have like this panel in the front right at the belly, which kind of just offers a ton of support and structure, which again, a week postpartum, this mom definitely appreciates as I wait for things to kind of go back into place. This is awesome. I will be living in these and probably getting them in every single color. So again, this is a size small. It does have the side pockets on both sides. This front control panel is incredible. It was just like kind of sucked everything in, put it into place, and it felt comfortable. Like I could breathe in it, but I felt so supported, which is really nice. You do have it all around, you know, that control band is all around. So you do have it in the back as well. But how beautiful is this? It's like, what? You had a baby a week ago? Where? It's the leggings. So good. Next, I got these, which are probably the most comfortable pants I've ever worn. Ever. They're so comfortable. They're like thick but lightweight, which is kind of like an oxymoron. Like when you're holding this, this is like hefty, you know, it's like heavy. But when you're wearing it, it feels like you're wearing nothing. Like everything's so airy. This is probably something I will be living in for the next few months. Actually, like all the time, because they're so comfortable and they're so cute. I actually love that this is like trendy and in style now. With HALARA, it's like super affordable, so you can have like these trendy looks and so many different options, but they're also affordable and cute and amazing quality. This is the mid-rise elastic waistband drawstring side pocket palazzo flowy wide leg casual pants. Again, the names are a mouthful, but you know exactly what you're getting. Now these are mid-rise. I did wear them like kind of high-rise. I did pull them up to my waist. One, because I'm just like petite and everything is like compact, but also because I am a week post, you know, I just had a baby a week ago, so I did want to kind of bring it up a little bit. I probably will wear these like more not low rise, mid rise, but they work perfectly for high waisted as well. But you do have this functional drawstring, which is amazing because you can, you know, you get a little bit more room or bring it in a little bit if you have to. And you do have these side pockets, and yeah, they're super flowy. These are in a size small and they are very forgiving, plenty of room on there, but still like, you know, you can cinch it at the waist to have a little bit more structure. This is in the color Maple Syrup, which is like a orangey brown. Like it's a warm reddish orangey brown. And last but not least is what I have on now, which I love this. Again, I am a nursing mama, so like, hello, strapless is perfect. I love that it's like stretchy. Feels like you're wearing nothing, but you also have like a ton of support. This does not have any padding. I do have my inserts in just to offer a little bit more coverage, but I think even without it, like it's fine. I feel supported, I feel covered. It's just, I personally like to be like extra covered, but this is so cute, so fun. This is a tube backless shirred, I think that's how you say it. Not side pocket wide leg casual jumpsuit. It does have like a little string to tie a bow right here, like at the top, like at the waist. It doesn't cinch you in, it's more decorative, but it is really cute, and I feel like it does add a little bit of detail just by adding that bow like under the bust. It is a jumpsuit. The pant legs are like very flowy. Like it says, it is casual, and it does have functional pockets. I tried to show you. Again, you can store things in there or just, you know, have your hands in pockets, but it just adds a little bit of touch, a little bit of detail in there. This is also in the color Capulet Olive, and I do have it in a small. So also very forgiving because it is like structured and stretchy on the top, so you can, you know, if you're a little bit larger, it will stretch out, but it does offer support, and everything is like casual and flowy, so you have a little bit of wiggle room there. But I don't know, I feel like it's casual but like dressy at the same time. Like you can dress it up with a pair of heels, you can be casual with like sandals or sneakers or however you want to wear it. But again, I love that it's like a no-brainer outfit. They just throw it on and you look cute and put together without having to put much thought into it. And yeah, I love it. I think that is the last of it. Those were the pieces that I tried on for you today. Again, huge thank you to Halara. These pieces are absolutely beautiful, and I love that you have so many different options, like to dress up, dress down, casual, active wear. Again, I will leave the discount code up here and down below as well. Let me know if you have any pieces from Halara. I absolutely love working with them. I love these pieces. Truly, genuinely, like, my go-to wardrobe is Halara, and I absolutely love them. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Let me know if you enjoyed these types of videos. You guys let me know what you want to see from me. But these pieces are so beautiful. I love them, genuinely. Thank you, Halara. And yeah, I'm so glad to be back here with you guys and with my favorite type of video. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. You can leave a comment down below or anything like that. I would leave all my information down below for you guys to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you